Hey friends, this is my first video, so hi! In this video, I'm going to talk about procrastination. Everyone procrastinates, and if you don't, I don't know, you're probably a robot. As for me, boy can I talk about procrastination. I'm married to procrastination. We're inseparable. I go through every single aspect of life with procrastination loyally by my side, as much as I want a divorce. I procrastinate waking up, working, and doing laundry. I even procrastinated a broken wrist during finals week. Procrastination is a process that's pretty much the same with everything. My history final is a prime example. So I'm given an essay assignment for my history final about 2 weeks in advance. Like the careful planner I am, I split the work between the 2 weeks. Pretty great, huh? But like the procrastinator I also am, I thought, well, research and evidence and outlining can't possibly take me that long, right? Well, my week ended up looking kind of like this. And the end of the week arrived and I had done no work whatsoever. Then I was like, well, I still have a week, so I'll just revise my plan. But Sunday also arrived and I had pretty much done nothing as well. Well, that wasn't too good. I decided then that I would just cram the entire day and split the work between the hours. Like this. But that, predictably, didn't happen either. Instead, I decided I would finish the entirety of the Undertale Pacifist run, and by 11 PM that night, I had also done nothing. So I thought, well, I'd just pull an all-nighter and get it done while drinking 3 cups of coffee. Not the best lifestyle choice. However, since I'm pretty sure fate hates my guts, I dozed off at around midnight and woke up at 7. My history final was at 9:30 AM. Amidst my panicking, my brain registered that I had 2 hours to do all of the work for a 7-page long research paper. After working like crazy and arriving to history class 10 minutes late with probably the worst history paper ever, I scraped a pass for my final grade. What a great start to freshman year! So how does one stop procrastinating? I don't know, just do it? I read hundreds of articles that just kind of made me feel worse about myself. I guess believe in yourself and don't do what I did. This video seems like a procrastination how-to, but it's a how not to. Do the complete opposite. Don't become that person who failed their final and spent their entire break regretting their life choices. That's all for today. See you next time, friends.